If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The selective color adjustment in Photoshop lets you select a process color in a layer and then mix other colors into the selected color as desired. This lets you selectively edit a process color range in a file. While the colors used by this adjustment are the CMYK colors, you can also apply this adjustment to RGB files too. To apply a selective color adjustment to a selected raster layer or smart object layer in Photoshop, select Image, Adjustments, Selective Color from the menu bar to show the adjustment settings in the Selective Color dialog box that opens. Then make sure the Preview checkbox in the dialog box is checked to preview your changes. Alternatively, to apply this adjustment as an adjustment layer above the layer currently selected in the Layers panel, click the Selective Color button in the Adjustments panel to add a new Selective Color adjustment layer to the Layers panel and show the same adjustment settings in the Properties panel. To select the color to adjust in the selected layer, select a choice from the Colors drop-down in the Selective Color dialog box or Properties panel. To select the method of color adjustment to apply, then select either the Relative or Absolute option at the bottom of the Selective Color dialog box or Properties panel. The default is Absolute. The Absolute method adjusts colors in absolute terms. The relative method adjusts colors based on the color's existing percentage of the total. Therefore, note that the relative method cannot adjust pure specular white, which contains no color components. To adjust the selected color, then click and drag the cyan, magenta, yellow, and/or black sliders to the right or left to increase or decrease the percentage amount or enter positive or negative percentage amount values into a slider's adjacent field. To apply the selective color adjustment, if using the selective color dialog box, click the OK button. Alternatively, to cancel the adjustment and close the dialog box, click the Cancel button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.